and film me when I take off. And I want to see if the mufflers move. Because we could have broke a motor mount. If it's the motor mount, when I get home, I'll be able to see it and I have an extra motor mount. If it's the clutch, since I live so far away, I'll probably have to get a flatbed and tow it down and get the clutch done. We'll see. Well, when we get to the house, park it and video it going up the driveway. Yeah, so it's probably the clutch, not the motor mount, because of the miles on the car. The clutch was replaced at 70,000 miles, 140,000 miles now. So that would make sense. Clutch job, $5,000. And yeah. And you know, no matter how much money you put into this car, it's still not going to be the depreciation of 1 year of owning a new one. Alright, we're approaching the house. I'll check the footage, see if it's, see this? 3-finger. And this one's only 2-finger. So I think this mount could be broken. So I'll look at the footage and see if it's wobbly. Because I have another mount. It's actually this box right here. So this slides into the rear chassis. The car back here slides down. And there's a winglet on the motor and it holds on to this, and there's rubber in here, and this shaft could be broken or the inside piece could be broken, or we ate the clutch. Alright, so we're gonna see how long it takes for me to put in the motor mount and see if it's just this side which is broken. We know it's an 18 millimeter. Let's see if I got my between these. Should come out, or half of it out. And yeah. Just so we don't do anything too stupid, I'll get the jack and put it under the engine with some newspaper. And the reason for the piece of wood in the newspaper is to distribute the weight along the bottom of the engine oil pan, because that's what's going to be holding it in place. So you need a jack to put the jack under the car. Welcome to Porsche. That should be enough so I can get the board and the newspaper under the motor mount, under the engine. I was really expecting that to move more than it did. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Power tools. Best money ever spent. Alright, that looks good. Oh, well, it's either 12 or 14. Let's see. Alright, let's try. Yes. It doesn't feel broken. See this rubber? Yeah, that's pretty obvious. This is not supposed to be pulled through. Torque wrench. Too many universal. Not good torque. Something tells me this should be higher. Yeah, there we go. That's how that's supposed to be. Ow. Power tools. Okay, well, look at that. That's what that's supposed to be like. So we're gonna have to do that side after. That one won't come in for a few days, but that was fast. I don't know what my time on my watch says. We get the long one. I guess get the key and see if that fixes it. Fixes it, it's fixed. If it's not fixed, then we do the wham. Wait, put it head down. So that should do it. If it's fixed, excuse my hair. It's fixed. Yay, we'll just do the other side in a few days. If it's not fixed, then we do the because we have to take it down to the Porsche place. Spend some real money. But nice and shiny, brand new. That was super easy, oh my gosh. As far as Porsche repairs go, this is by far the easiest one I've done. Very clear. All excited. That's too bad. It still shakes. bad. I mean, we can always see what happens when I get the other motor mount, but I'm 99% sure now it's the clutch is slipping and grabbing and causing that chatter motion. So, well, I guess what I'll have to do is swap the cars around and drive that one for a little while. That's the benefit to having more than one Porsche. You know, one can be down, both down. But once the new clutch is in, then the car should be good for a really long time, because I was worried about that. You know, every 70,000 miles, car's at 139. It'll be all right. Aloha.